What if life as we know it is just a simulation? This theory, proposed by scientists, philosophers, and futurists, suggests that our reality might be an incredibly advanced computer program. But here's the real question. If it's a simulation, can we hack it? Could we uncover its rules, exploit its glitches, or even rewrite the code of our existence? Imagine unlocking infinite possibilities, bending the laws of physics, rewriting your destiny, or even escaping the simulation entirely. It sounds like science fiction, but could it be science fact? In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating idea of hacking the simulation. Could it be possible? And what would it mean for our understanding of reality itself? Stay with us as we explore the possibilities, the challenges, and the implications of breaking free from the boundaries of our perceived existence. The idea of our reality being a simulation isn't new. It's been popularized by films like The Matrix and speculated upon by philosophers and scientists like Nick Bostrom, who famously argued in his 2003 paper that it's statistically probable we're living in a simulated universe. The theory posits that if any civilization in the future develops the technology to create highly realistic simulations, the odds are that we're inside one of those simulations rather than being the original reality. This concept has gained even more traction with advancements in technology. Virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing have blurred the lines between what's real and what's simulated. If humanity can create realistic virtual worlds, what's stopping a far more advanced civilization from doing the same on a universal scale? But here's where things get interesting. If this is a simulation, it must have rules. Programming, codes, and systems that dictate how it operates. And if those systems exist, could they be manipulated? Hacking the simulation may sound like a concept ripped from science fiction, but it raises profound questions about our ability to shape our reality. Today, we'll explore the origins of this theory, the challenges in understanding and hacking the simulation, and the tantalizing possibilities if it were actually achievable. Hacking the simulation presents an array of challenges, starting with the most fundamental. How do we even know we're in a simulation? While simulation theory is intriguing, it's inherently difficult to prove or disprove. If our perception of reality is governed by the simulation, every piece of evidence we uncover could just be part of the program itself. Another major challenge is understanding the code of the universe. In video games or software, hacking involves identifying and exploiting vulnerabilities in the code. But how would we even begin to identify the programming language of reality? Concepts like physics, mathematics, and quantum mechanics might offer clues, but we're limited by our current understanding. For example, could quantum mechanics' unpredictable behavior, like particles existing in multiple states at once, be a sign of glitches or limitations in the simulation's code? Then there's the question of intent. If we are in a simulation, what's its purpose? Was it designed for observation, experimentation, or entertainment? And would hacking it compromise its intended function? Perhaps more concerning, could hacking the simulation attract the attention of its creators, leading to unintended consequences? Finally, there's the ethical dimension. If we could hack the simulation to bend reality to our will, what would that mean for others? Would such power corrupt? And what happens if the creators have fail-safes in place to prevent tampering? These challenges highlight the complexity of hacking the simulation, but they also make the subject all the more compelling. Let's imagine that hacking the simulation is possible. What might it look like? Some theorists suggest that accessing the code of reality could involve understanding quantum mechanics on a deeper level. The famous double-slit experiment, for example, shows how particles behave differently when observed. Could this be a clue that observation influences the simulation and therefore a potential way to interact with its underlying framework? Another avenue is through advanced technology. If we develop AI systems capable of processing vast amounts of data, or quantum computers with unprecedented computational power, they might uncover patterns or inconsistencies in our universe that hint at its artificial nature. Such discoveries could be the first step toward understanding the rules of the simulation and finding ways to manipulate them. Some researchers believe that altered states of consciousness, through meditation, psychedelics, or even near-death experiences, could provide insights into the simulation. These experiences often produce sensations of transcending reality, suggesting that our perception of the world might be limited by the simulation's constraints. Could these altered states be a way of accessing hidden layers of the program? Of course, speculation abounds. From finding glitches in reality, like déjà vu or unexplained phenomena, to experimenting with fringe physics concepts like wormholes, hacking the simulation is as much about imagination as it is about science. While we're far from concrete answers, each discovery in physics, AI, or consciousness brings us one step closer to understanding the possibilities. The pivotal moment in this exploration comes when we consider the implications of actually succeeding in hacking the simulation. Imagine discovering a method to rewrite reality, bending time, altering space, or even escaping the simulation entirely. This would be a groundbreaking moment in human history, fundamentally altering our understanding of existence. But with great power comes great responsibility. What would hacking the simulation mean for humanity? Could it lead to unprecedented freedom and control over our destiny? Or would it invite chaos and unintended consequences? If the simulation has creators, whether they're advanced beings, extraterrestrials, or future humans, how would they respond? Would hacking the simulation provoke retaliation or lead to its collapse? There's also the philosophical question. If we escape the simulation, what comes next? Would we find ourselves in the real world or just another layer of simulation? This uncertainty leaves us with a tantalizing but unsettling possibility. That reality might be an infinite loop of simulations, each one nested within another. This moment of realization challenges us to think deeply about the nature of existence and the risks and rewards of pursuing such knowledge. Are we ready to take the leap, or is the pursuit itself the ultimate test of our curiosity and ingenuity? In summary, the idea of hacking the simulation is as fascinating as it is complex. It challenges us to question the nature of reality, the limits of human understanding, and the possibilities of technology and consciousness. While the challenges are immense, from proving the simulation theory to understanding its code, the possibilities are equally profound. If we could hack the simulation, it might unlock a new era of human potential, allowing us to reshape our lives and the universe around us. But it also raises significant ethical and philosophical questions about responsibility, intent, and the consequences of tampering with the very fabric of reality. Ultimately, the idea of hacking the simulation is not just about breaking the rules. It's about understanding them. It's about pushing the boundaries of what we know and exploring the unknown with curiosity and caution. Whether or not we succeed, the journey itself is a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge and discovery. What do you think? Are we living in a simulation? And if so, could we ever hack it? If you had the chance to rewrite reality, what would you change, and what risks would you be willing to take? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your theories, ideas, and questions. And if you're intrigued by the mysteries of reality, check out our other video on simulation theory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our next mind-bending exploration. Thank you for watching.